Before this, I brief you about origin and the development and the main features of Rajasthani school. Here we discuss about the painting. So following these paintings are coming in your syllabus. First one is Maru Agni, made by Sahibuddin, and this is from Mewar school. And Raja Aniruddha Singh Hara, made by Utkal Ram from Budi, and Chaukat players made by Dana and from Jodhpur. And fourth one is Krishna on swing, made by Nuruddin and from Bikaner school. And the other one is Radha Banithani, made by Nihal Chand and Kishangarh. And sixth one is Bharat Meet Rama at Chitrakoot, made by Gurman, and it is from Jaipur school. So these six paintings are coming in your painting syllabus. Firstly, we move to first painting. This is Maru Ragni. So it's a very famous painting and made by Sahibuddin. And the love story of Dhola Maru is very famous in Rajasthan, and it has been a popular theme of miniature painting. In this painting, Dhola and Maru are shown traveling on a camel through a desert, with Dhola riding the camel and looking back at Maru. Dhola is dressed in typical artographic attire and complete with weapon like sword and shield. The another painting is Raja Aniruddha Singh Hara. This is in tempera painting made by Utkaram, or this is from Budi school. I made in 18th century. In this painting, Raja Aniruddha Singh Hara is shown at back and galloping the horse. Means that he is proceeding his horse in a great speed. He dressed in a typical Mughal costume, and his profile piece painted in minute. And the background of this painting is in a dark color to enhance this composition. That's why they are using black color at background. As your sword is held embroidery, and the whole composition is focused on king. He's just trying to main figure of king. And this is made by Utkal Ram. This painting is Chaukat players. The artist is Dana. In this painting, two princes are showing playing polo with their four attendants. On the upper part, they are showing in this painting. They just want to differentiate queens, the princes, from their others, because their natives are playing there. The rein of horses in one hand and the polo sticks on their other hand. Their horses are minorly decorated in this painting, and two mates are holding stick with their both hands in this painting, and they all are enjoying polo with their princes. So four mates are here and two princes are in this painting. The fourth one painting is Krishna on swing. It is made by Nuruddin. And in this painting, it is a poem. Rasik Priya is based on Rasik Priya, and it is written by Keshav Das. In this painting is divided into two parts. Okay, each part is depicting different scene of Radha and Krishna. In the upper part, Krishna is shown sitting on well decorated hexagonal swing. In downstairs, in lower part, in between Radha and Krishna, one maid is there. He's just standing and taking one flower in her hand and facing to Krishna. She is shown passing a flower to Krishna on behalf of Radha in this painting. Another most famous painting of Kishangarh is Radha Banithani, and artist is Nihal Chand. And the Indian government has published one of his postal stamp on Banithani too. The Banithani style is painting very famous for his love story between Raja Sawan Singh and a court singer and dancer. And in this painting, her smile is very mysterious as Mona Lisa. So it is also called Mona Lisa. Indian Mona Lisa is famous by Indian Mona Lisa. So this painting, Radha Banithani, is also called Indian Mona Lisa. In this painting, the profile of Radha is painted in the profile face with peach color. Another painting is Bharat Meets Rama at Chitrakoot. This painting is made by Guman. In this is a unique combination of painting painted by Guman. In this painting, the artist shows The whole incident is a 9 episode when Bharat goes to Chitragut and meet to Ramaya with his three mothers, Guru Vishwakarma, and this whatever the all the episode Rama met and he knows about Dasaraj is died. So everything is all the story is discussed in 9 episode in this painting. In this painting, Bharat requested to Rama to return Ayodhya. They all are requesting their guru, their mother. They all are requesting. All the incidents, all is working in 9 episodes. Here I have describe about the description of woman, garments for woman, and the garments for one, which type of garments they are wearing in their paintings, and which type of colors they are using in their artwork. The folk in nature sculptures, mostly pink, grey, and green colors they are used in their composition, and the men are wearing pajamas, turbans, angaras, and the females are wearing lehengas, choli, and transparent chunri over it. And for the theme is on folk in nature and culture related things they are made. जो भी पेंटिंग्स उन्होंने बनाई थी वो कल्चर से रिलेटेड थी और कलर्स में भी पिंक थे यूज लार्ज स्केल में मोस्टली जो गारमेंट्स और ऑर्नामेंट में उन्होंने डार्क कलर्स में यूज किए थे और राउंड शेप में लेंथ में ऑलमोस्ट जो भी थे और बाकी अनदर है द पहाड़ी सब स्कूल जो है इसके फर्स्ट वन इज द बसोली मिनिएचर स्कूल इज द ओल्डेस्ट अमंग्स पहाड़ी स्कूल्स इन द हिल एरिया. The characteristic in these paintings mostly they are based on Hindu religion and bold and intense color they are using for their composition and mainly Radha Krishna paintings made and the background is mostly red. The themes are taken from Ramayana, Mahabharata and romantic themes are also there. Natak Natika and Geet Govind also they are taking. The paintings are series of Ramiska art by Devidas and series of Geet Govinda by Manku are the series of this sub school Basoli. This is also called the cradle of Pahadi style of school and it is origin of 17th century. Gold and silver colors they also use in their ornament to make their composition attractive. Another Pahadi sub-school is Kangra. This school of art is developed under the period of King Sansarjan because he was art lover, so he promote art and artist very much. The origin of this period is 18th century. The characteristics of this sub-school is glowing. They are using glowing colors and bold lines, and the females figures are so attractive, and the nose of females are in lines near to their foreheads. They are using. Okay, or the famous painting of this sub school Kangra sub school are Raja Sansar Chand, Festival and Court of Raja Sansar Chand, and Kangra paintings is famous for their maturity, beauty, sense, rhythm, lines, and the color combination also. And flowers, plants, creepers, tree, birds, animals, they are shown their painting. The next one is Chamba. The origin of Chamba school in 19th century to 20th century. And Chamba is known for its female figures with the most charming appearance. And the landscape of this Pahadi miniature school are not basically on imaginative. Mostly they believe in their decorative work that they are using. They're trying to decorate and more imaginative work they are doing in their composition. And for painting, the themes are based on nature and social topics, and romantic scenes are showing the glorification of female figures. For mostly for colors they are using primary colors. Okay, the next one is Garhwal. The origin of this is 17th century, and this is Garhwal painting is called the golden period of Pahadi painting. Suleiman was ruling at that time there. The artwork of Garhwal is play an important role in their culture and in painting. When we are talking about their character, the painting themes are based on nature, social and beauty of women, and colors mostly they are primary colors they are using red, blue, yellow, and for pink also somewhere you are using. And for painting the series of Raganis and Shiva and Parvati, all the spiritual religious based painting they made there in their composition. The Garhwal school of painting is one of the lesser known school of Pahadi Rajput style of painting. The main subject of this painting are Krishna Leela Rukmani, Mangal, Ramayana they are taking. The next one is Guler. Guler, the another famous school after Basoli. Period 18th century. Characteristics of this school are fine lines they used and soft colors they are using in their composition. These paintings are in naturalistic and delicate soft lines they are using their composition. The famous painting are Raja Balwant Singh by Nansuk, Raj Govindan Chand Singh by Guler and the series और भगवता बाय गीत गोविंद इसमें बनी हुई है. जितने भी स्पिरिचुअल टॉपिक्स इन दे आर टेकिंग देयर फॉर देयर कंपोजिशन. Whatever the composition they draw, they are inspired by their local area also. It shows in their composition. After we are studying some two paintings of this Pahadi school, and this painting is Krishna with Gopis. The artist is Manku. Period is 1739 AD, and school is Basoli School of Art, and medium is watercolor on paper, and the scene is Gopis shown adoring Krishna. The background orange color they are using for their background. Description of theme: two gopis are embraced by Krishna while one touches his feet in respect to another one in holding a white jodi. So in इस पेंटिंग में जो गोपीज हैं वो प्रेस कर रही हैं कृष्णा को. embrace कृष्णा while touching his feet को छू रही हैं और holding a white jodi. They just devoting Krishna. Here it is the composition here. You just see this composition. Two gopis are embracing by Krishna while one is touching his feet. Respect. He is just giving respect to Krishna. And one is holding the jodi. And the whole composition made in watercolor. And this is from Basoli School of Art. The period of this painting is 1739 AD, and the artist of this painting is Manku. So this painting is Krishna with gopis. Simply they are using orange color at background and divided into part. Upper part they are just showing the green area. Here we are having another composition in the Yashoda and Krishna with Krishna going to Vrindavan. तो वृंदावन की तरफ वो जा रहे हैं. तो उस जितने कंपोजिशन है उसको आर्ट वर्क में इन्होंने शो किया हुआ है. द आर्टिस्ट इज नैनसुक एंड द पीरियड ऑफ दिस पेंटिंग इज 1780 AD एंड द मीडियम ऑफ दिस पेंटिंग वाटर कलर एंड द स्कूल ऑफ दिस पेंटिंग इज कांगड़ा एंड इट इज़ इन कलेक्शन ऑफ नेशनल म्यूजियम ऑफ न्यू दिल्ली. Here this is a painting. When we talking about the description of them, when Nanda Yashoda and Krishna with Krishnan, they are and with their maid, they are going to Vrindavan with two bulk carts. The whole composition they just trying to show in this composition Nanda Yashoda and Krishna with Krishnan going to Vrindavan. The title of this painting and the period is 1780 AD. And artist is Nansuk. And medium is watercolor. See this composition. Two placards are there. They all are sitting there. Their maids are with them.